Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to discuss one of the harder SAT math questions. This is number 27 on Module 2 of the first practice SAT, so this will be one of the hardest questions you'll see. So let's hop into it. So in this equation we're told that it's a quadratic and C, the variable I've just circled, is a constant. We are told that the equation has no real solutions if C is greater than some integer n, and so we want to find what the least possible value of n is. So when you see a question like this where you're given a quadratic and you want to basically find values that limit the number of solutions it has, you need to use the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So if you recall, the quadratic equation is negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all that over 2a. And this part right here that I've just boxed is the discriminant. And we want to set that to be less than 0 because we want to find where it has no real solutions. Which makes sense because if you take the square root of a negative number, you're not going to get a real number. You'll get an imaginary number. So let's set up this equation with b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Let's add 4ac to both sides. Now let's plug in our numbers. So we know b is negative 34 squared is less than 4 times 1 times c. And we're chilling at this point because c is what we want to try to find. So usually you'd have a calculator, but I don't have one, so we'll try our best here. So 34 is 35 minus 1, so 35 minus 1 squared would be 35 squared minus 34 minus 34 minus 1. So we have 35 squared is 1225 minus 34, so that'd be 1225 minus 69. So 1225 minus 75 would be 1150. Just add 6 more of that. So you'd have 1156 is less than 4c. Now we solve for c simply by dividing by 4. So you get c is greater than 1156 over 4. Well, 1200 over 4 would be 300. And then 1200 to 1156, that difference is 44. 44 over 4 is 11. So 300 minus 11 would be 289. So you get c is greater than 289. And now if we go back to the question, we're told that we need the equation has no real solutions if c is greater than n. So what is the least possible value of n? Well, we just found that if c is greater than 289, it'll have no solution, so therefore n is equal to 289. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.